Idea 4. Start private investing. Now, I want you to imagine you're an investor on Shark Tank. An entrepreneur walks in with an incredible business you think you can help with, and they're looking for some money to expand. You have the opportunity to get in on the ground floor of this business. Are you going to take the risk? How about if you're having a conversation with a family member and they share their plan for a world-dominating business and they just need a small amount of money to start? If you answered yes, then private investing could be for you. Your first step is deciding which kind of private investor you are. There are two main types, sharks and angels. Some stay angels and some morph into sharks. Angels often invest in businesses run by friends and family. They often don't have lots of money nor an interest in taking control of the business. On the other hand, sharks may invest small amounts of money but have deeper pockets. They may also seek a controlling interest at the start, as they're confident their expertise can make the business more profitable.